Hey YouTubers, Mustang Rebuilder here. I know I haven't made a Mustang video in a little while because it's winter time and I've been working on machinery. Machinery supports the Mustang hobby, okay? But I wanted to do a little review on a Harbor Freight extendable half-inch drive ratchet and a Harbor Freight uh, composite ratchet. The extendable is like, if you use a 20% coupon, it's going to be around $16, $17. And I'm not sure on the cost of the half-inch. I'll put it down in the description when I look it up. The composite, okay? And so let me turn around, show you the tools. All right, first we're going to talk about the extendable, okay? It's not Snap-on, it's not Matco, whatever. I keep these two ratchets inside my service truck for my stump grinding business I own. And I've had Snap-on Mac and a lot of other tools. So I discussed in another YouTube video. My toolbox was stolen 30 years ago, so I rebuilt it with all different kinds of tools. They're all good manufacturers, Craftsman and all. Some of you guys are just very loyal to these other tool companies. I respect that. I'm just telling you from the normal layman guy, this here's the extendable half-inch drive, okay? It does have a quick release on it. I use it primarily on my truck to change the teeth out on my stump grinders. You pull this back here. It's hard to do one-handed, but one-handed. Slap it down, it extends out, see? All right, I use it for leverage. This tool is 2 years old, never failed me, still ratchets fine, and pull it back in and close this back, see? I'm not going to give you all the exact specs. There's a bunch of different videos of guys. I think it finally broke when a guy had a pipe over it, pulling over 500 foot-pounds on it. Finally broke it, but his was a swivel head one to where the head went this way or that way, okay? For the average guy, let me tell you, this is a $16 ratchet, all right, with the coupon. It's fantastic. I love it. I loved it so much I bought one for my brother. He carries it on his truck, all right, to service his stump grinder. And we all run bigger machines. You can see I got a big diesel motor on there and all. But, and I have another one over here, a smaller one. But this is carried on a truck, a service truck at all times, okay? And then I told you about the composite. I bought this one probably 4 years ago, and it's taken some beating. Even underneath this other rubber coating, there's another composite coating here, okay? It hasn't done nothing there. It still ratchets perfect, and I have no trouble with quick release button. I mean, this was probably pretty cheap with the coupon. Now, you see this chunk missing? Underneath, it's still fantastic. It's just this composite covering. Reason why this chunks off, I had a spot where I was knocking off a tooth, and it was cold, and I was like, God damn it, I want to get a hammer. I use the side of it to knock the tooth out. And after doing that several times over the years, 4 years worth, it finally broke through the plastic. Okay, and the plastic a little bit there is worn. The ratchet still runs fantastic, okay? It's the same ratchet. Let me show you. This is the composite one, coated with all this. What they look like new. Let me see here. Let's go to one of my other boxes. I keep my box. I got ratchets everywhere. Here it is. See, I still have a brand new one here that it's been used a few times. I love them so much because they don't conduct, okay? My other box, let's see. I see, look at here. I have Craftsman too. This is an angle head. This Craftsman's probably 20 years old, okay? Anyway, I have a ton of ratchets. I like these. I keep them in my service truck, especially this one. If I'm working around anything that's got power to it, I'm not going to conduct and spark it, right? This one here, I use it for leverage. I'm getting older, and I don't like to sit there and have to torque the crap out of stuff. And anyway, I'm just going to let you know. This is, I'm not sure quite on the money. It's way under $15. It's probably 10 something. I know the price of this one, like I was telling you, it's about 16 bucks with the coupon. It's well worth it, okay? You're just working in your garage, working on cars, lawnmowers, whatever, buy it. This one, they got lifetime warranties on it. How can you go wrong? Especially if you live near Harbor Freight. I do, okay? I used to buy Craftsman's because Craftsman's were open Saturday and Sunday. Even though I was a professional 30 years ago, I was in the auto body and paint industry. So a lot of my tools in my box were Craftsman because if it was broke on the weekend and stuff, I can go get it changed. If I bought it off the Matco, Snap-on, or Mack truck, I'd have to wait for the guy to come by or make a special call to come by the shop. And then, honestly, you pay through the balls for a ratchet. For what I was doing and for what the average guy's doing, these are really good enough. They've got another brand out now at Harbor Freight called, I think, Icon. They're supposed to be compatible or comparable exactly with Snap-on. I went and looked at them. They're very nice, but I think you're going to pay on the ratchet here, a half-inch drive, probably $30-something. For me, I don't need it. I really don't. If someone wants to buy me one for a gift or send me one, oh, God bless you, I love you, I'll take it. But otherwise, I'm very happy. Harbor Freight has come, I don't know how long they've been around now. 10 years, 5 years, 8 years, I don't know. It's like a candy store, and they get better and better and better. Their sockets and stuff like that, they're getting even better. And you break a socket, you bring it there, and they don't even question you. They give you another one. I broke something the other day, and I still got to go down there. I'll probably go down there maybe today, tomorrow. And the girl said, just bring it in. It's got a lifetime warranty on it, and we'll just switch it out for you. And the ratchets and hand tools and stuff, you don't have to buy that extended service plan and stuff like that. It's like the old Sears Craftsman days. Walk in, walk out. And that's about it. It's Sunday. I always try to make these videos on Sunday and while the family's sleeping or just still waking up. Anyway, hey, God bless. Work hard, save hard. Be prosperous in life. And remember, if you're not learning something every day, you must be dead or an asshole. Yeah, no, I said it, but I don't believe you're an asshole. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the videos and the comments and all. It's all been very positive. Please give me a like if you like it. Subscribe. I'm always doing stuff. I've kind of beefed it up. At least once a week I'm trying to post something. And like, subscribe, make a comment, and hey, enjoy your Sunday. And if you're a beer drinker, have a beer. If you're not, have a glass of wine. If not, have a Coke, and just enjoy your family, enjoy your house, enjoy working on your equipment, your car, whatever it is. All right, probably one of my next videos is definitely going to be on the Mustang. I got to do about 3 or 4 more things. Other than that, it's just a quick review. It's not an intense review. It's just to let you know I believe it's good stuff. Okay, some guys out there do really intensive tests on equipment. I'm so proud of them. That's their forte. That's not my forte. I just tell you, it works. It doesn't work. Buy it. Don't buy it. I say buy it. Okay? Have a great one, guys.